Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy sushi sauce. This method is incredibly straightforward, requiring just a few common ingredients you likely already have in your pantry. We'll focus on creating a perfectly balanced flavor that enhances any homemade sushi roll. Get ready to elevate your sushi experience with this simple, yet essential, condiment. It's a quick and rewarding process. Now, let's get to the mixing. In your small saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of rice vinegar. Then, add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. These are the core components that will give your sushi sauce its signature sweet and tangy profile. Use your whisk to gently stir everything together. Make sure all the dry ingredients are starting to incorporate evenly with the liquid. Next, we'll apply a little heat to help everything meld beautifully. Place your saucepan on the stovetop over low to medium heat. It's crucial to stir continuously during this step. You want to ensure the sugar and salt fully dissolve into the rice vinegar, creating a smooth, uniform liquid. Remember, we're not aiming to boil the sauce, just warm it enough to dissolve the solids. This usually takes only a few minutes. Once the sugar and salt are fully dissolved, remove the saucepan from the heat. It's important to let the sauce cool down completely to room temperature before storing. This ensures the flavors settle and the sauce maintains its quality. Once cool, pour your homemade sushi sauce into an airtight container. You can store this delicious condiment in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready to enhance your next sushi creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.